What's up, YouTube? I'm Jamie, this is Kelly, and this is Chelsea, and we love this new song by The Weeknd. If you love this dance fitness routine and you want full hours of dance fitness classes similar to this one, check on our website. We have an on-demand library with over 100 hours of workouts, and now we are live streaming every single day, bringing the energy of the studio right to your home. Everyone gets a 2-week free trial. Check it out. We're gonna do this one a little differently. The choreography is a little bit more intricate, which makes it awesome and fun for your brain and your body, but I'm gonna break it down for you in 8 counts without the music, then we're gonna do it together, and I probably won't cue that much during the actual song, so practice this little breakdown a few times, then turn that music on and get it. Okay, so the first move, you're gonna shuffle to the right. You're gonna start with your left foot though. You go, and 1, 2, and when you snap, you turn that head, okay? Then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna shuffle to the left, but you're gonna start with the right foot. And 3, 4. Now you're this direction, you're gonna come up on your feet and drop. 5, 6, other way, 7, 8. Okay, then you're gonna do 2 body rolls, 2, quick switch, you'll hear that in the music. It's real sexy, 2 more this way, okay? And then you can do the exact same thing again. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, body roll. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, body roll. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So that's the first sequence. You're gonna go right and left. And then you're gonna step your right foot forward, step, tap your left foot as you throw your arms down and your head down. Then you're gonna step your left foot back as you put your arms back, and then tap that right foot, okay? I know it looks complicated, but it's easy when the music comes on. Then you're gonna step that right foot back, circle your hip 2 times, and now your left foot's forward and ready to go. And you do that 4 times through. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more to the right. To the left. Last one. Hey, hey, hey. Now this is the part that's the hardest. It's the fastest, but you can do it. I know it. He's gonna say, take my breath. On the word take, you're gonna jump and reach really high. It's gonna have to be on the music. The counts are really hard to follow. So just remember, take my breath. So that's not like take my, it's just take my breath. And then you're gonna hear him say, ah, and you do that hair whip like nobody's business. Get it where it sticks on your eyelashes. That's how much you're whipping it. And you come up, ah, and just drag that hand along the inside of the right leg. Then you have 2 shoulders right, 2 shoulders left, away, okay? Now, you're gonna take your right foot. When you're watching, it might look a little backwards, so just listen. Your right foot is gonna come up, your knee is gonna drive up, your hands are gonna come up. Then you're gonna throw your arms back, lift your chest, engage your core, woo, and bend your standing leg as you kick out. Okay, it's hard to do slow. Yes, beautiful, beautiful, Chelsea. Okay, so you come up, up, you kick out, and then you're gonna drop down, just like this, and then your head whips up, then you open your left knee, close your right knee, and roll it on up, do it again, jump. Take my breath, away, 2 shoulders, up, back, drop, look, open, close, roll it on up, okay? And then there's a bridge. We're gonna do that a little bit faster. There's a bridge, and I'm gonna show that to you right after we do that sequence fast. We're gonna go all the way around till you meet me with your eyes again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take my breath, away. Here comes that knee. Up, out, down, look, open, close, roll it on up, and jump. Down, up, hey, 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 up, kick, down, look, open, close, you kick ass. All right, now the bridge. We're gonna go to the right. 1 and 2 and 3, turn left. This arm comes to meet it, double arm up, and then the left arm stays down, and you got that right arm up, okay? Then you're gonna shimmy, shake your shoulders. Here, tap, tap it back, turn with a little head whip, boom, and then you're ready to go to that other side. It's the same thing, let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder shimmy. Turn it out. 5, 6 to the left. Same thing. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. And a shimmy and shake it and turn it. Boom. And then you're gonna jump and do the whole thing over again. Don't get overwhelmed with this instruction, okay? Don't press pause, don't press stop, and don't say, screw that, I can't do it. You can, I promise. If we can do it, you can do it. Let's get it.